レイガン옷 가요. Osaka, Japan. Doha, Japan.
Yuki ni.
Hello. I'm in a rental space in Osaka for recording. By the way, this time I'm going to explain about Japanese anime Yu Yu Hakusho. Yes. Is it dark? Can't. Let me adjust the light. How's this? My editor, sorry. Could you adjust the color and video quality? Thank you. Yu Yu Hakusho, yeah. Yu Yu Hakusho, the popular Japanese anime. I was watching it when I was small, and still now on YouTube. I like it. About Yu Yu Hakusho, it's published in 1990. It was 33 years ago, and it ended at 1994. So almost 4 years and a half. There are 174 stories. Its genre is adventure action. So main character is Yusuke Urameshi. He is 14 years old, second grade of junior high school. He's so young. And it looks like bad boy. He looks like bad boy, like wants to fight. The story starts when he dies. This guy, main character won't die. This is so rare. The story is weird. The main character dies at the first because of a traffic accident to help a kid. So as a ghost, he faces a lot of trials to come back to the real world. He dies and he was looking at himself lying on the road, and the Green Reaper came. Actually, the Green Reaper is cute. So Yusuke got the tasks. First chapter is his death and trials. Work as a ghost detective to protect the world against ghosts. And Dark Colosseum. This is so fun. Dark Colosseum is so fun. Fighting a lot of strong devils. Yawa. Naaidaga Hammaga Yawa. And the next one is Door of the Demon's World. Yawa. Yawa's World. Ankaributan Yawa. Next, King of Demon Tournament and Descendant of Demon. And 6 is Epic. My favorite chapter is Dark Colosseum. Naaidaga Hammaga Yawa character. Let me explain the characters. The main character, Yusuke Urameshi, he uses a ghost shot. Ray gun. Ray gun. Yawa! Pinstin yawa! Waigami! Ghost shot. He shots using ghost power. And actually, he's the descendant of demon. He didn't know, but after the middle of the story, he realized he was a descendant of demon, so he can transform to a demon. Yawa! By the way, next, Kuwabara. He's a Yusuke's classmate. He uses a sword, Kuwabara, and he uses ghost sword. Yawa! Yawa Hakusho. こんな子さ、Ghost Fighter. The anime name will be Yawa Fighter, and I use Yawa and Yawa sword. Next character is Hiei. I love this character. He's so cool. He uses fire, like fire dragon, black fire dragon. And he's a thief of ghost monster. Uses fire, and also elder brother of twin sibling Yuki. This is like my first time to use my hand to eat hot rice. Con nagamit akon kamot sa init na rice. Init kayo, oi. Next one is Kurama. He's a farmer thief of ghost monster. He looks like he's beautiful. He has a lot of fans in the world because he's beautiful. He uses rose. 綺麗なバラにはトゲがある. Beautiful rose has thorns. That means a beautiful thing has kind of trap. And he transforms to another appearance. He's beautiful. His origin is false. Next character is Genkai. She's a trainer of Yusuke. She's an old woman, but she transforms to beautiful young girl. She transforms using ghost power. And my favorite character in Cosem is Toguro. Toguro brothers, older and younger. And younger is the strongest. Kusoka Ayo, Toguro. And younger Toguro transforms like this. This is 80%. He transforms little by little using his ghost power. Actually, he's a demon. And he transforms using power, but it was still 80% of his power. And after that, he uses 100% of ghost power. He transforms like this. So scary. Loot kayo sila. Oy, loot kayo. And by the way, don't forget to follow my Tagalog account. I opened it to communicate to many people. That's convenient to communicate to others because Bisaya speaker is a few. Of course, I'll continue doing Bisaya. Using Tagalog too will be more convenient to get many information from TV show in the Philippines. Yeah, the name is Tagalog. Please follow this one. Okay, that's it. Salamat sa pagtanong sa akong live. Don't forget to follow my Tagalog account and please subscribe my YouTube channel and Twitch. See you next time. Bye. You look handsome today. I'm always handsome. Yuki kaya taku desu. What kaya taku desu? Mula lagi kasi Yamcha. Really? Yamcha. Do I look like Yamcha? Seriously? Bao kaya akong duga. Pistinha wa humoka your peach care. Good face wash, shampoo. I feel so clear. Disot magbisaya oy. Kiss ko lalak.